Hello everyone. Today we will learn about subject and predicate from the book Grammar Made Easy, Chapter 3. A sentence has two parts. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So the question is, what is a subject? The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us what or whom the sentence is about is called the subject. सब्जेक्ट को हिंदी में कर्ता कहते हैं. Doer. Karta means doer. The subject names the person, place, animal or thing we are talking about in a sentence. The subject names the person, place, animal or thing we are talking about in a sentence. सेंटेंस में जिस किसी के बारे में बात की जाती है, सेंटेंस में जिस किसी के बारे में बात की जाती है या हमें पता चले कि कोई एक्शन किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है, यदि हमें पता चले कि कोई एक्शन है वो किसके द्वारा किया जा रहा है, वो एक्शन जिस किसी के भी द्वारा किया जा रहा है वही सब्जेक्ट है सेंटेंस में. प्रेडिकेट. व्हाट इज प्रेडिकेट? The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. The part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. Predicate हमें subject के बारे में बताता है, मीन्स कर्ता के बारे में, कि सेंटेंस में उस कर्ता के द्वारा उस सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा क्या किया जा रहा है, कौन सा एक्शन किया जा रहा है. For example, the cat is sleeping in the sun. The cat is sleeping in the sun. So the question is, who is sleeping in the sun? Answer will be the cat. So the cat will be the subject in the sentence. The cat is a subject and the rest of the words are predicate in the sentence. Rest of the words are predicate in the sentence. Rahul likes playing football. Rahul likes playing football. So the question is, who likes playing football? Answer will be Rahul. So Rahul is a subject in the sentence and the rest of the words are predicate. Rahul is the subject because the sentence is about Rahul, and likes playing football is the predicate because it tells us about the subject Rahul. इस सेंटेंस में किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है? राहुल के बारे में. ये सेंटेंस राहुल के विषय में कुछ बता रहा है, तो सब्जेक्ट कौन होगा? राहुल. एंड लाइक्स प्लेइंग फुटबॉल क्या है? ये राहुल क्या कर रहा है या राहुल को क्या पसंद है, राहुल के विषय में ये बता रहा है, तो ये प्रेडिकेट हो गया. नेक्स्ट, द गर्ल्स आर नॉट टायर्ड. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, हु आर नॉट टायर्ड? द गर्ल्स. सो द गर्ल्स विल बी द सब्जेक्ट एंड आर नॉट टायर्ड इज प्रेडिकेट in the sentence. Next, Suhana is a good student. So Suhana will be the subject and is a good student is predicate. Some more examples to understand subject and predicate. You can see here. Subject is the boy and the predicate was chasing a cat. Chasing means to follow, means पीछा करना. Suraj is sleeping. So in this sentence, subject is Suraj and predicate is sleeping. Next, the toy car was running on the track. Who was running on the track? The toy car. So the toy car will be subject and was running on the track is predicate. Next, the helicopter flew over the sea. So the helicopter will be the subject and flew over the sea is predicate. Students, the subject usually comes before the predicate in a sentence. The subject usually comes before the predicate in a sentence. But in some cases, the order of words may be changed. Subject in questions. When we will ask a question, so subject will come after predicate. You can see here. Where is mother? So sentence किसके बारे में? मदर के विषय में है. Where is mother? So mother will be the subject and where is predicate. Who are you? Who are you? So subject is you and who are predicate. How are you? So subject is you and predicate is how are. So students, you can see here predicates come before subject. मीन्स जब हम किसी से क्वेश्चन करते हैं या कोई सब्जेक्ट जो क्वेश्चनायर है उसमें प्रेडिकेट सब्जेक्ट के पहले आता है. सब्जेक्ट इन कमांड्स. इन कमांड्स द सब्जेक्ट इज यू विच इज नॉट मेंशन्ड बट इज अंडरस्टूड. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सब्जेक्ट मेंशन नहीं होते हैं, किंतु यह अंडरस्टूड होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट यू है. इंपरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में कमांड्स किए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट यू होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कम हियर, डोंट टॉक, शट योर माउथ, go to sleep, get up from the bed. So these are the imperative sentences and subject is not mentioned, but the subject is actually you and the sentences actually read like the following: you come here, you don't talk, you shut your mouth, you go to sleep, you get up from the bed. So in these imperative sentences, subject is you and rest of the words are predicate. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. Students, you write all sentences in your notebook and circle the subject and underline the predicates. Next question. Match the subject with the predicate to form meaningful sentences.